Arthritis is a disease that we all know about, and we feel that it's normal for everybody in the old age to get arthritis. But today I want to talk about something different. This is a condition that happens to most of us, but this is also a condition that can be improved with the right diet and lifestyle modifications. Studies prove that with right diet, right lifestyle modifications, and weight management, arthritis can be improved by 60%. Just imagine waking up without feeling stiffness in your knees and in your fingers and your joints, climbing stairs without any pain, opening jars without any difficulty, and bending down to tie your lace without any hesitation. This is possible, and you don't have to do anything extraordinary because the solution is right in your kitchen. So in today's video, we are going to discuss 3 important things. Firstly, what exactly is arthritis and how it develops inside your joints. Secondly, what are the early symptoms of arthritis that you should never ignore. And third and most importantly, I will tell you about 3 superfoods in your kitchen right now which are scientifically proven to reduce inflammation and to improve your joint health. And we are not just going to name these superfoods, I will tell you how exactly they function and operate at your cellular level, and they help you reverse arthritis. Because when you understand the science, you trust the process, and when you trust the process, you start healing. But first, let's understand what is arthritis. When we talk about arthritis, we feel that this is just a joint pain that happens with age. But biologically, it's much more than that. Arthritis is a chronic inflammatory disease that actually starts affecting the soft tissues around your joints. Mainly the cartilage, the smooth cushion that actually allows your bones to glide smoothly and perform better. In healthy joints, this cartilage acts as a shock absorber. This reduces friction and it makes sure that all your joints like your knees, your legs, your ankles and your fingers perform and function smoothly and freely. But when this cartilage starts breaking down due to stress, injury or even hyperactive immune system, the bones start having friction between them, and this starts resulting into a painful condition called as arthritis. Now there are 2 types of arthritis. First is osteoarthritis, which is more of a mechanical nature. This happens when wear and tear gradually starts eroding your cartilage. This might be because of overweight condition, aging and also repetitive movements. The second form of arthritis is called as rheumatoid arthritis, which is also referred to as RA. This happens when your body's own immune system starts attacking the lining that is there on the joints, that is called as synovium. And when this lining starts getting attacked or starts reducing or starts eroding, your bone starts having more friction because this also starts affecting the cartilage on your bones. And this also starts triggering inflammation and eroding your cartilage and also the bone within. And the most common sign of arthritis is morning stiffness that takes time to ease. So somebody with arthritis might wake up with stiffness in the joint, but by afternoon it might start easing up or getting better. They might also experience dull ache even after long periods of rest. Apart from this, they might wake up in the morning with also swelling joints. And lastly, grinding or clicking sounds when they are moving. As inflammation builds, you might start feeling fatigue or even warmth in the areas or the joints where inflammation is building up. Now here's the part that most of the people don't realize, that it's the inflammation that is the real cause behind arthritis and not just bones. So it's important for us to understand how our immune system can actually help us address the severity and progression of arthritis, and a good strong immune system that is paired with a healthy diet and lifestyle can actually help us bring down these symptoms of arthritis and manage it better. So what you eat and your diet can actually fuel this inflammation, or it can help you calm it down. So now we'll be talking about 3 scientifically proven superfoods that are there in your kitchen right now, and it can also protect your joints at cellular level. Let's start with something that is available in most of our kitchens these days, and that is extra virgin olive oil. So what makes it more special is that it's not just a healthy fat, it's actually a very powerful anti-inflammatory food for your body. In arthritis, your joints become inflamed because your body starts releasing chemical substances that actually irritate and inflame your joints. and over time these chemicals actually starts eroding the cartilage on your joints, and as a result of which the joint starts rubbing against each other, which makes them highly inflamed and painful. And this is where olive oil steps in. It contains a compound that is called as oleocanthal, which acts as a natural painkiller. It gently blocks the enzyme that actually causes inflammation, and these are the same enzymes that most painkillers also target. But olive oil doesn't stop there. It also protects your joints from something that is called as oxidative stress. So whenever there is extra inflammation in your body, there's always more oxidative stress. Now, oxidative stress is basically like a rust in your body that slowly and steadily starts eroding your joints and also your cells. Olive oil, being a natural antioxidant, start balancing this oxidative stress and reduces the inflammation in the body. The antioxidants in olive oil like vitamin E and polyphenols actually starts balancing the radicals of oxidation and helps the inflammation come down in the body. Another interesting fact is how olive oil supports your bones. The healthy fats in olive oil actually helps your bones absorb vitamin D and also vitamin K. Both are extremely crucial for healthy bone health. So it's not only about calming down the inflammation, but olive oil also helps you strengthen your bones and cartilage. Now, how you should be using olive oil. It's very important to remember that you should never heat the olive oil, because olive oil has lower smoking point, and when you heat it, it actually starts generating free radicals that can in fact worsen and aggravate the oxidative stress in your body. So the best way to consume extra virgin olive oil is by adding it raw to your salads or to your vegetables, or having it on the side without heating it or without cooking it. Second superfood that's there in your kitchen that can help you manage and reverse arthritis is turmeric. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but modern science now explains how it's so powerful for arthritis. The secret lies in a compound called as curcumin. It is a natural chemical that can reach deep into your body's inflammatory pathway and heal from within. In arthritis, the main problem is that your body's own immune cells become hyperactive. They release a vicious cycle of immune cells inside your joints that keep triggering chronic inflammation. Curcumin interrupts this cycle by blocking a key molecule of activated B cells. This basically acts like a master switch to reduce and reverse the inflammatory cycle in your body. When this cycle stays overactive, the joints swell and get inflamed and also become very painful. Turmeric actually helps your body turn back that switch and calm down the inflammation. Now, the benefits of turmeric go beyond preventing inflammation or helping the inflammation come down, because turmeric also helps promote the cartilage producing cells that are called as chondrocytes from an early death or early erosion that normally happens in arthritis. Another reason why turmeric is excellent for arthritis, because it actually improves blood supply and oxygenation to your joints. It also improves circulation and improves blood circulation to your body tissues. That also helps your body bring down the inflammation and heal better. It also helps your liver to clear out toxins and reduce the inflammation in the liver itself, so that it can perform better and your immunity works perfectly. Now, how you should consume turmeric for arthritis. So there's a very unique way in which you can consume turmeric for arthritis. Take a little bit of turmeric, about half a teaspoon of turmeric, mix it with a pinch of black pepper, add it in ghee and consume it with warm water or a glass of milk at night or the first thing in the morning. For those who prefer supplementation, there are also turmeric or curcumin capsules that are available, but before taking them, it is highly suggested that you meet your doctor and consult him. Now, the third superfood for reversing or managing arthritis that is there in your kitchen right now is ginger. Ginger may look simple, but it is one of the most powerful pain relieving superfoods, especially for arthritis. What makes it so special is the group of active compounds that it has, which are called as gingerols or chagols. These compounds actually directly affect how your nervous and your immune cells communicate with each other, resulting into significant difference in your pain inside the joints. Now, here is how it works. When there is chronic inflammation in your body starts releasing these two molecules which are called as prostaglandins and leukotrienes. These molecules are responsible for the pain, redness and stiffness that you experience. Gingerol blocks the enzymes that make these molecules, which significantly creates a difference in your joint pain, redness, and stiffness without irritating your stomach or your gut lining, which most of the painkillers do. Another unique benefit of ginger is that it helps relax the muscles which are around your joints. In arthritis, the muscles surrounding your joint often get hyperactive or they have reflexes which actually worsen the joint movement, resulting into more pain and redness. A natural warming or antispasmodic effect of ginger actually helps your muscles relax, and it reduces and prevents overactivity of these muscles. Some studies also shows that consumption of ginger actually reduces your CRP levels, that is your C-reactive protein, which most of us might have seen in our blood reports. So CRP actually goes high whenever there's inflammation in your body and whenever your body's immunity is hyperactive. So ginger can actually help you calm down or bring down these CRP levels. Now, how you can make ginger a part of your day-to-day diet? First of all, you can have grated ginger first thing in the morning. You can always add a little bit of turmeric, black pepper and ghee to it, and have all of this together with warm water or warm milk at night or in the morning. Or you can also consume ginger tea morning and evening. Both these ways have shown to be very powerful in bringing down the inflammation in your body. Along with these superfoods, your overall lifestyle plays a huge role in managing your arthritis and also managing the pain. So it is very important that you take care of your sleep, you take care of your stress levels, and you also eat a diet that is nourishing, that is wholesome, and that is balanced. And then along with that, the superfood as an added agent can really help you improve your arthritis symptom and manage it better. At the same time, you need to remember that you have to exercise to keep the inflammation in check. So low impact exercises like yoga, Pilates, or even low resistance weight training can be of a huge help in bringing down the inflammation and managing your joint health better. It's also important that if you're suffering from arthritis, your weight always has to be in control, because every kg that you gain, it adds an extra effort and extra pressure on your joints and on your bones. Along with this, it's very important to pay attention to your posture and your daily habits. So make sure you're not sitting for a long time, or even at office, you make sure your back is well rested and your posture is correct. And lastly and most importantly, you have to manage your stress and your emotional triggers, because the moment you're stressed, it actually aggravates your cortisol, and cortisol is again going to increase inflammation in your body. So you need to stay happier, pursue a hobby, and take care of your stress levels. So this was about arthritis. If you want to know more about any other disease, please put it in the comment section below. And as we always say, it's never just a diet, it's always a lifestyle. So stay healthy, stay fit, stay grateful, and stay blessed.